In the video that you're about to watch, which was recorded for World Environment Day 2018, which also shared the same theme of Beat Plastic Pollution as is now being used for World Environment Day 2023. The video explores the opportunities to reduce plastic waste in our shopping decisions for the food that we buy and how it's packaged and how we can reduce the plastic content of that packaging. So please enjoy. Did you know that the total plastic arisings from our shopping totals over 800,000 tonnes each year? That's over half the UK plastic arisings from our households. Imagine if you could put that into 10-yard skips, it would stretch all the way from London round the world to Sydney in Australia. We need to do something about our shopping habits. Let's explore what we can do to go plasticless. Well, we're back from our shopping expedition and we now have the opportunity to look at our purchases. On the left-hand side are the plastic bags containing food that is wrapped in plastic packaging or plastic film. And on the right-hand side we have the food that we've collected from the supermarket with minimal plastic packaging and from local shops in our village. Okay, so let's have a look and see what we've bought. Now that we've unpackaged both sets of shopping bags, we can see on the left-hand side the extent of plastic packaging, covering plastic films, covering plastic bags and plastic containers. On the right-hand side we can see our plastic-less shopping, which contains many items that are not in plastic. Cardboard boxes, glass jars and the traditional egg boxes. However, there are still some plastic items on the right hand side, namely the tops to the yoghurt containers and the film on the lasagna. But there is a significant reduction in plastic containers on our shopping on the right hand side. Before we take a look at some of the innovative packaging that's used in the plastic-less shopping on our right, it's important to recognise the cost of the two sets of shopping. On the left-hand side, the plastic shopping cost us £11, and on the right-hand side, the plastic-less shopping has cost us nearly £20. So there's an important difference in terms of trying to go plastic-less. Take, for example, the lasagna that we bought in our plastic shopping. We can see that this is in a black plastic container with plastic film over the top of it. It's important to note that the black plastic container is often very difficult, if not impossible, to recycle. So the only recyclable element of this container is the cardboard outer. Now if we compare the packaging from our plasticless shopping, we can see that some innovative choices have been made for the packaging of this lasagna. As we can see, it uses a wooden box to contain the food and uses minimal film. It would be anticipated that the cardboard outer and the wooden tray would be able to be recycled. Our second example is looking at the yogurts that we've purchased. On the left-hand side we have the yogurt in plastic packaging together with a plastic film upper lid. And on the right-hand side for our plasticless shopping, we have a glass jar with a recyclable plastic top. Our third and final example of innovative packaging is to look at what nature can provide. As we can see, these lemons are packaged by nature in a thick skin that provides protection against bruising and dirt. If you've been inspired by this video to go plasticless, why not try these great action points?